Finally, last week for me. So for this week, one thing that really stood out to me was the idea of the sixth mass extinction that we might be living through one right now because of the climate change, the overconsumption, and the ecosystem damage. Those are the key evident scenarios or fiascos happening on Earth right now. And another thing that I learned is how globalization has created both opportunities and challenges to us. Um, while some countries have gained wealth and access to services, other countries are actually struggling with inequality and environmental damage. Last but not the least, the concept of the future of humanity, including ideas like AI or artificial intelligence, space colonization, and even gene editing, really opened my eyes to how fast things are moving. So those three that I mentioned are actually my reflection for this week's lesson. And in terms of its impact, before this lecture, I saw the future mostly as something exciting, full of new technologies. But now I kind of also realized the risks, like, first is environmental crisis or the dangers of losing control over our creations. And, it made me reflect on how my generation will have a big role to play in shaping what comes next. It also reminded me of values of I grew up with, like, caring for nature and using resources wisely, which are more important than ever. So, to ask for the future curiosity, I want to also learn about climate solutions, which is very timely as of the moment, especially how we can restore ecosystem and mitigate the climate issues, and shift to renewable energy like the ones for the solar panel solar energies. I'm really interested in how small changes like reducing plastic use or use of clean energy can actually scale up and create global impact. um, it's good to say that it gives me hope that there's still time to change the course that we're on. So what you do today will actually determine what your life be tomorrow. So that ends my reflection for this week. Thank you so much.